Hey, it's Ben, the Waterfall Guy. I wanted to show you guys a little bit about Aquascape's stacked slate spheres system. They're a pretty unique bubbling water feature that you can put into your garden. You can see it looks like natural stacked slate. It comes pre-piped in so you can easily hook up to your pump. Comes in with your tubing. You pull this puppy right back down in there and hook up to your pump. We've got different options in there. I like to use the EcoWave 2000 pump, one of the best pumps out there, energy efficient, not running any more than like 0.8 amps of power, so not much more than a light bulb. You've got options in here too. You can make this thing bubble up tall, small. We can have different flows. What I really like to do is install a little color light on the very top. You plumb this puppy right in, and you've got color fantasticness happening on top. That always comes with our smart control hub, so you can have your phone out and click your little colors and rotate through the blues, the greens, the reds. You also have the option for the fire fountain. Add that puppy on, have the flame coming out, roast some marshmallows, toast it up. With most of my fountains, I like to also install the ion din filter. This is a copper component that keeps the algae down, makes it inhospitable for that to grow. So if your budget doesn't allow for that, you've got the algicide. Put a little bit of this into your fountain, keeps it clean. So that's the basic system. There's different trainings online you can look to see how to do the components of it, but I want to show you this thing running. So let me go install this real quick and come take a peek. All right, we got the stacked slate sphere all dialed in, have our pumps dialed into the right flow we want. We have our upper light casting a nice top feel into there. I'm pretty happy with it. We framed it in with some plantings as well. And we can roll through different color lightings in there as well. You've got your options for going with the orange, the blue, the green. You've got all these different options in there. So really quite versatile and a pretty cool system. So thanks for sticking around. Stacked slate sphere.